This video is about push chat review demo. Hello, from Fosca team. Welcome to episode 7 of AiHiPU Web3 Explained platform. Before we move on, I have an important disclosure and disclaimer notice for you. Disclosure: we may hold, invest, trade or receive rewards from reviewed Web3 projects/affiliates. Our goal is helpful reviews. Disclaimer: our reviews are for educational purposes only and do not constitute financial, trading or investment advice. Please do your own research, DYOR. By using or following the whole or part of this review information, you agree that we are not liable for any losses. Now, back to the focus of this video. Introducing Push Chat, a Web3 decentralized chat feature for dApps. Ready? Are you interested in exploring this Web3 feature? Then, let's dive in. Push Chat Overview. 1. Enables wallet addresses to send and receive messages. 2. Secure and privacy focused. 3. No personal identifiers required. 4. Compatible with any dApp, Web3 wallet, or backend. And a lot more. While I am only able to share an overview of this Web3 feature with you in this video, you can access the full review on our platform, Web3 Explained by AiHiPU website, which includes full details about the overview, features, how it works, fees, use cases, security, and privacy, pros and cons, future enhancements, integration guide, and demo. Check out the web3explained.aihiPuniversity.com, link in the video description. Meanwhile, kindly don't forget to like, share and comment on your experience with the Web3 feature discussed in this episode. Subscribe and tap the notification bell to not miss the upcoming Web3 Explained by AiHiPU episode on our platform. Also, the Fosca team encourages you to kindly always do good and not evil to humanity and nature with your Web3 knowledge to make the world a better place for us all. Thank you for watching. Kindly watch our other Web3 review videos next, please.